Okay, take three. That's video card up there. 4 megabytes of RAM. 386 sx40. Fresh installed DOS 622. No sound card, just CD-ROM drivers installed. With the oddball 16-bit ISA video card. And yeah, I went through three CD-ROMs. I don't know if I mentioned that or not, but yes, there's certain tests that I will not be running because I'm tired of doing this again. So, oh man. Well, yeah, I know this one works. You guys don't get to listen to me ramble on other than right now. Let's see, I'll shake the 8 ball, and it's going to come out at 11.1. Probably because I ran it 3 times already. Oh, I'm ready to pull what hair I have left out. And as you can see, this is actually very clear of an image coming through. Quite surprised. Oh, Pastor needs to go to bed. Hey, well, you know, I called that one. 11-1. Okay. Well, we know that one runs. Escape still takes a little bit of effort. Oh. So, speed sys. Don't use that one. Landmark system speed test. Works. Let's do that. Turn off clicky noise. Any key. Where's the any key? Turn off noise. Oh, it was up to 57 megahertz. Darn low 386 40 megahertz. We're supposed to be pushing 57 megahertz. On the bottom, you can see where the video is running, and that is freaking fantastic for what it is, in my opinion. I'm not sure if a Visa Local Bus video card runs faster than that or not. I haven't really benchmarked one. Shoot me a comment down below and let me know. I'm kind of curious if this thing is actually performing where it should be. I'm guessing once I use this in another system, and spoiler alert, Blackmagic is coming back with this video card in it, and we'll be able to run some more tests with it. We'll be using the DOS bench again from Phil's Computer Lab. Gotta mention that. He's a great guy, great YouTube channel. Anyway, let's see if we can find another test that will actually work. Quake will not work, Doom will not work. I don't know if... Wait a minute here. Okay, we don't want to do cache check. We'll do check CPU. That one should work. Yes. Classic 386. By the way, this chip is actually got the Ollie on it. So it's actually an Ollie 38640. So, and temperature, let's do the finger test. It's warm. It's like a warm cup of tea. I mean, just left out for about an hour. It's that cool. Okay. I'm a little hesitant on which one I pick next because I know some of them will work and some of them will not work. And I'm going to go ahead and say that FastVid is not going to work. So I'm just going to sign off for now and let you guys know about a few things that I'm planning on doing. I am going to host a Super Socket or a Socket 7 build. It's on my Twitter. I need to list that to my YouTube channel. I have yet to do that. I actually have been on Twitter for about a year. I only posted like one or two things after that. It's nothing really big. Social media is not really big for me. My Facebook page, I think that's on YouTube, but I'm not 100% sure if it is or not. Once again, I don't really post a lot. I just don't have that kind of time. I have a busy job. I work 5 days a week there. I work a second job. That's every Saturday. I really don't have a lot of time to be posting stuff. I try to dedicate maybe 30 minutes to an hour a day of doing this type of stuff. Other than that, I'm out here in my computer shed, for lack of better words, trying to work on another video. With that being said, like I said, I'm hosting this Socket 7, Super Socket 7 build. And the hashtag is going to be hashtag Socket2Me7. So Socket, T-O-M-E 7, the number 7. So if anybody is interested in joining in, feel free. Shoot me on Twitter. Like I said, sometimes I can get to it sooner, sometimes I can't. A lot of the times, if I'm busy at work, I don't even check it. So, and that's why a lot of other people's videos, I just haven't had time. It takes so much out of my day to work on these things. I'm glad there's a lot of people that appreciate me doing this. So thank you for all your kind words. Thank you to all my subscribers. The Slot 1 build-off, that was a great experience. I enjoyed it. It originally started out with me and Mike kind of bugging each other, tossing stuff back and forth, and it just kind of snowballed from there. So that was great. Hi to everybody, and I'm signing off for now. I hope you enjoyed this. Give you a little bit of look at this video card, and it'll be back probably in a couple days in Blackmagic. So thank you again. Stay safe and watch out for all those idiots, will you?